this video, I'll show you how to apply a LUT to all clips at once in DaVinci Resolve. Start by making sure you have all your clips in the timeline. One of these clips should already have the color grading applied to it. Now go to the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you're here, move to the top left and click on Clips. This will open the clip viewer where you can see all your clips in the timeline. Click on the clip that already has the color grading applied. Now go to the last clip in the row, hold down Shift on your keyboard and click on it. This will select all the clips between the first and the last. Right-click on clip that has the color grading and choose Apply Grade. This will copy the LUT and color adjustments to all selected clips. Now go back to the Edit tab and you'll see that the LUT has been applied to every clip in the timeline. If you want to apply the color grading to most clips but leave out some, you can also deselect individual clips. Here's how. Go back to the Color tab and select the clip with the color grading. Then hold Shift and click on the last clip to select all. Now hold down Control on your keyboard and click on any clip you want to deselect. This will remove it from the selection. When you apply the grade now, it will only affect the selected clips. That's how you apply a LUT to all or some of your clips in DaVinci Resolve.